Welcome back to Mathematics at the Heart. Share, subscribe, and like the video if you want more of this type of math riddles. Today, we've got a riddle that's been making waves online. It's simple. It's clever. It might just trick you. If you can think outside the box and solve the puzzle. That's baffling minds across the globe. Stay tuned. Alright, here it is. How can you make the number 7 even? Wait, here is the twist. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. You cannot do any of the operation. Pause the video and think of the answer. Here's the reveal. You make 7 even by removing the s. That's right. You're left with the word even. It's a play on words that reminds us that sometimes the solution isn't in the numbers, it's in the letters. If you enjoyed this brain teaser, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending puzzles. Can you outsmart the next riddle? Join us next time to find out.